Hey everybody, it's me again, Dom G, back for day 3 of 31 days of Dom. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the really cool shape clipping mask effect in Final Cut Pro X. Just a disclaimer, if you can hear some really loud purring right now, it's because Bean, aka my cat, is in my lap. And she's super spoiled and wants me to rub her until she falls asleep. So we're going to be one-handing this tutorial today. So we're going to see how it goes. So we're going to be using the clipping mask effect today, or the shape mask effect today in Final Cut Pro. And what that's going to allow us to do is crop our video into various shapes. So you're going to be able to go beyond the 4 square wall of your video, and you'll be able to do various shapes like circles, or even draw your own shapes to make it look exactly how you want it to look. And of course, I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is place the video that you're trying to edit into your timeline and crop it to the desired length. So if you don't want to use the mask effect on the entire video, just make sure you cut that portion of the video out that you want to apply the effect to by using the blade tool, which you can find in the program right above your timeline. So I'll be applying the shape mask to 2 different sections of the video, which is why I have 2 portions of that video cut. And the way that I want to format it is by having the videos play at the same time side by side, which is why I decided to put one video timeline directly under the other, so that it plays at the same time and so that it's the exact same length. So once you have it all cropped to where you want it to be and have it where you want it on the timeline, all you have to do is click the effects panel on the right side hand of the screen, and you want to type in mask. When you type in mask, you're going to get 5 different options. You're going to get the draw mask, which allows you to draw the actual shape that you want the video to be in. You have the graduated mask, which allows that fade effect. So if you want the video to fade to a certain color at the bottom or at the top, you can use that one. You also have image mask, which is masking the image, and then you have shape mask as well, which is what we're going to be using today. And then you have the vignette mask. If I'm probably pronouncing all of this wrong, okay? I promise you I'm a designer. I promise. But I'm probably pronouncing every single word wrong. These are just various ways for you to apply the mask. All you're going to do is select the mask you want to use and drag and drop it onto the video you want the effect to be applied to. So once you do that, you go over to the right hand side of your program. In the top right corner, it's going to actually say shape mask, and if you want to change anything about it there, you can do it in that setting. For me, I don't have to change anything. This is the shape I wanted. I kind of wanted like a vintage type oval shape going on with this video. And then all I'm doing is selecting a font, and then this is the final product. And that's that. Pretty simple tutorial how to use the shape mask in Final Cut Pro X. All it takes is a little drag and drop and a little bit of shifting around, and you're going to get the perfect shape that you want. So I hope this tutorial helped you out a lot. Please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. And definitely share with somebody else who you think will really benefit from using this effect in their everyday projects. Like always, thank you so much for sitting down listening to me ramble. Feel free to follow me on all my social media platforms so that you can keep up with 31 days of Dom, where every day for the month of December, I'll be posting a new tutorial on various different design programs. So that's all I have for you guys today, and I will see you all tomorrow.